Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair on a pretty bad hair day. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a, where are we here? Out of a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. This is from Kevin in Fayette City, Pennsylvania, and Kevin has requested the modern internal conversion with USB and Bluetooth, so we're here to make sure everything is working before we send her back to the customer. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I have it set to FM at the moment, and I have all 5 preset buttons set to FM stations in my area so we can get through the test really quick.
So what you and I need to understand is the dynamic relation.
Como repito, planear.
Come on, say something. There we go. Okay, that one drifted just a little bit there. Okay, let's go over to AM. We get one strong station in my area around the center of the dial. Okay, there's the strong AM station that I get.
There are so many doctors
and while we're on talk radio, let's demonstrate the balance and fader functions and all that.
According to
Okay, we're going to activate the virtual front-rear fader.
Or School of Public.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we are successfully adjusting the front and rear speaker balance with the tone control.
Hundreds of thousands of
Okay, I'm going to
Americans
go ahead and center that.
by not prescribing therapeutics.
Fader
set. Okay, let's try left-right balance.
It strikes me.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
And probably one that
all the
is
way
true.
left, all the way right. Say something. Come on.
Balance
Shit.
Interrupted.
Okay, I got to do it again.
There is no perfect.
Balance adjust.
Interrupted.
Okay, all the way left, all the
Everything
way
it
right.
touches. I have said that
This
all
time
of my life.
I'll let it set now.
The next.
Balance
Balance
set.
it. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, indicating that's working properly.
It is a crime.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the video. Let's go ahead and test the USB. I got to find my commercial. Here we are.
Basically, doctors have now been told.
Okay, USB works, and the last thing to test is the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
That has been the medical.
Switch track to which sides? Blank spot there. Okay, I think we're probably going to be coming up on an automatic track change, so we'll wait for it to do that. There's our automatic track change. Alrighty. There's our eject button. And radio comes back, and that's it. Just make sure I installed the aux input, and I did. Okay, so she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to my next video. I am Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and my website is in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions, because I'm just not going to remember my entire catalog and very important safety precautions during a phone call. So you have to visit my website first, get that stuff down, and then I'm happy to answer any questions that the website doesn't answer or that the work order doesn't answer. And that just keeps me on the bench, putting as much quality as possible into the workmanship, and off the phone answering the same questions over and over and over from each new customer. Please respect that, and please know that this is so that your unit gets the best possible service when it finally comes in. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you again, Kevin, for your business all the way from Fayette City, Pennsylvania, and we'll see you guys next time.